everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. This is a Honcho Wholesale lot that I just unboxed. If you want to see the full unboxing, click the link in the description below to see every single item that we're going to try to list today. So this is the listing video of this unboxing. We're going to see how much money we made. So this is a box of first quality new shoes from Honcho Wholesale. The cost was $300 for 20 pairs of shoes. I know it sounds like a lot, but don't worry, I think we're gonna make our money back. So it's shipped here for $40, came in a huge giant box about this big. So I'm all in at $340. Let's see if we make some money. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so I am all set up here at the computer with my Amazon Seller Central pulled up. If I can't put it on Amazon, I will be putting it on Poshmark, so check that. I have the links all down in the description below. So let's see. My plan is to merchant fulfill most of these, which means I will ship it when it sells, and so hopefully we can make some money. So he has a barcode scanner, Paul does, and so he's going to scan it. I got it in the box waiting to be scanned, and we'll see how much money we can make. So what brand is that?
By brand.
Yeah.
Volatile shoewear.
Volatile. And these are in fantastic brand new condition.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yep. Yes, that popped up. New condition. 2 million sales rank, but that's okay. I'm merchant fulfilling it, so I don't have to worry about it.
It's also a pair of sandals. So.
Yes. There's currently no listings on Amazon, so I'm actually going to open this up and find out what would be something comparable in the same brand. So it looks like they're running from $17 to $60 depending on which kind of shoe it is. So I'm going to find something similar in style, and I think I'm going to list it since there's none on there. I'm going to list mine for about $29.99.
I'd go higher than that.
You think?
Oh,
okay.
Yeah.
So $39?
Yeah, probably.
$39.99. I'll ship this item myself. Just one?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, let's see.
As far as I know, just one. It is size 9.
Size 9. It popped up as size 9, and it's in new condition. All right, and save and finish. Okay, that one is listed. I like merchant fulfill. It's a lot easier to do, to list everything. All right, and I am ready for the next one whenever you want.
Okay. Did you write that down?
Oh, sorry. Yes, because we're going to keep a tally.
Your book?
I got one here. $39.99.
$39.99.
And then we'll take off the fees at the end.
Right.
Okay, go ahead. All right, in new condition, sell this product, 670,000 sales rank, so that one's going to sell much better. Currently, right now, this one is selling for $91.69 on Prime. So I know they're probably going to charge around $8 for shipping, so $91. Let's go ahead and just list ours for $79, because then that will get us under the price of what it would cost a Prime customer to buy it.
So how much for the volatile then? Volatiles, what do you got?
$39 and $79.
So you got 40 and 81, basically 120.
Just for that brand. So that was a great brand.
That's not bad. Not
Yeah.
bad at all.
One of those. Ship it myself. Okay. Great.
Okay, these are the, I have no clue how to say this.
Spell it.
S-B-I-C-C-A. Spica?
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 Yeah.
Okay, anyway.
I'm not in no fashion, me no fashion. You see they're handmade in California. We have the vintage collection, so I got all the vintage collection to see if they're worth more.
Okay.
This is just
regular
says
style.
footwear.
Okay.
So, but they all say handmade in California, so I separated those two.
Okay.
So we'll see.
All right.
Ready?
Yep. That one didn't pop up.
So this would be a Posh.
Yep, Poshmark.
Okay. Ready?
Yes. That one didn't pop up either.
We might have found an issue.
Yep. We can look it up by title if we wanted.
Ready?
Yeah. That one did pop up.
Okay.
Those other two we might be able to look up by title simply because they're, a lot of times they'll have a style brand on them. Okay, I will ship this item myself. I have one, And it looks like $69.11. We're going to drop it by $10 so that we get the good price, $59.99. I will write that down. Okay.
Got that one?
Yep. All right, ready for the next one. It's just slow. Oh, yep, that was on there. Okay, sell this product.
These are denim.
That's what popped up.
That's what popped
yep.
up. Okay.
The first picture was different, but this one is correct.
Okay, good.
All right. It looks like there's no current offer, so let me go to the actual listing. Okay, the brown one is going for $55.
Probably good for this one too.
Yeah. There just aren't any denim ones on there right now, so we'll do $55 as well, especially because there's none on there. All right, and listed. $55.
Yep.
Alrighty. We got good sound?
Good sound.
Okay. Alrighty.
Ready?
Yes. It's thinking. That one popped up the same picture. Is that what it is? Is it that brown shoe?
It's a denim shoe.
It's a denim one? Okay. So, let me... Is it size 9 too?
Yes. Were these the same thing? They're the same thing. I'm sorry. I didn't even notice.
Okay, all right. Let me just go to manage inventory and get this ASIN, and I will... Actually, I can just refresh this page. Where's the denim shoe? Hold on one second. It's going to take me a minute. How dare you mess the whole system up, Paul? How dare you? There it is right there. I'll just change the availability to 2 instead of 1. Save all. There we go.
I'll have to double whatever your amount was there.
Oh, yes. Thank you. Put another $55 down. Okay. Perfect. Next one.
Ready?
Yep. All right. Yes, that one is on there. This one does not have a sales rank. Should we still merch fulfill it?
I don't know.
I mean,
is there any on there at all?
Let me look. Yeah, you can buy this one.
Huh.
Yeah, let's go ahead and list it.
This is their spring and summer collection.
Okay, that's probably why it has no sales rank, because it's probably a
Could
brand
be.
new shoe. Okay, there are no ones like this on there.
There are no ones like this color?
Yes.
Okay, that might be why too there's no sales rank.
Yeah. Currently unavailable.
Yeah.
Currently, they may have just made the listing. All right, I'm going to list it as $55 again, because it's the same brand. $55.99. Okay, I listed that one.
Good.
Yep.
Okay, so 4 of those went.
Do you want me to look that up by style? You know, I
Try.
could try. Let me just try to type it in. SBICCA.
Yep.
And then is there a style name?
Style is pine.
Okay,
Color is red.
let's look. Nah.
Nothing popped up.
Nope. Okay, we'll just posh those. Okay.
So,
Alrighty.
what are we looking at with that brand?
59, 55, 55, 55. So, over $250.
No, there's only 4.
Yeah.
Close to 200.
200, yeah.
200. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Are you ready?
Yes. Alrighty.
This is the
Same.
vintage collection.
The vintage. I feel very... This one is a million sales rank, but that's why we're going
It's a sandal.
to merch it. Yep. All right. New... Okay. So they're selling for $67.06. We're going to just go down by 10 and we'll do $57.99.
Okay.
Save and finish. Got that one listed. $57.99. And next one?
Are you ready?
Yes.
Here it is.
Okay, that one has a 2 million sales rank. There are 2 new and used on here. And this one is going for $69.99, so we'll do $59.99 since we have to charge shipping being merchant sellers. $59.99. Got that one listed? Okay, whenever you're ready. All right. New, this one has a 2.6 million sales rank.
Yeah, but these are shoes you would not have bought through the winter. I would not think.
Nope, which is
Open
probably...
toe.
Yep.
Yeah.
This one's going to go $49.99. And we will take the fees off of this.
Yeah.
So these are high quality, great shoes. I'm loving this. If you can't remember, this is from Honcho Wholesale, and these are all first quality new shoes. Right. Yep. So far, I'm loving these numbers. Go ahead. Yeah, 2.8 million sales rank, but it's a sale. It's a sandal again.
It's a sandal.
Yeah. So that would explain why the high sales rank. So 1 quantity. It's in new condition. We're gonna go $39.99 on those.
And you know that's a good tip. If you're trying to sell Christmas lights and you're scan some at the store in early January, their sales ranks are going to be great.
Right.
But are they going to sell in January? Not really. Not for the price you want them to sell. So it's a kind of a good tip to go, here's a pair of sandals where we're coming off of winter and winter. And so,
going into spring.
Fall and winter. And so the sales ranks are probably going to be high, but you know you're going into spring and summer. That will drastically drop because people then are going to be looking for sandals. So you have to think through your sales.
But also, that's also why we're deciding to merch fulfill them. They're rather large boxes. They'll cost a lot of money to ship in. And so we're also going to merch fulfill them too.
Heather doesn't know, but she's going to make an e-book card about sales rank.
Oh, am I? I am. I'm going to make a sales rank ebook card. Okay.
You got that one all calculated?
Yep, I do.
All right. Last one on the vintage collection.
Okay. All right. Yes, that is on there. 600 sales rank. 600,000. Sorry, 600,000. If it was 600, that'd be amazing.
Pretty good.
Yeah, that's actually a really good sales rank, especially because this is kind of still a sandal-looking shoe. So this one is going for $39.90. So we're going to just drop it by... We'll do...
Drop it by 5.
Well, no, because they're going to charge more for shipping than that. We'll go $31.99.
Okay, yeah, you're right.
Okay. $31.99. Good to go.
So roughly how much for the vintage collection?
Give me a second to add it up because my brain doesn't work well.
Your brain works wonderful.
59 plus... $235.
$235.
Yeah.
Going good.
All right.
So I'm not seeing a huge difference in brands, really.
Right. They're all pretty high end.
The last one. These are very volatile. Says brand from Los Angeles.
Oh, the last style.
Last style.
Yes.
Or brand.
Okay, go ahead. Yes.
I do think you have 2 of these.
But they're different sizes, so they're going to be totally different numbers.
Right.
So, all right, we're going to do this one and $27.99. So this is a little bit lower end. So we're going to go $21.99 on this shoe. Let's go ahead and add the next item.
You ready for the next one?
Yep. Same shoe, but different size. These also have no sales rank, probably because they're a brand new stylish shoe.
Yeah, they're also kind of a... All of these are a true spring, summer shoe.
So we're going to just price that one the same price, $21.99. Alrighty, and the next one I'm ready for. So we have 2 on that so far. Oh, that's that little pair of tennis shoes. 2.2 million sales rank. But that's kind of a spring looking shoe as well.
Yeah, very lightweight shoe.
Yeah. So they're $52.77 is what they're going for. So we're going to do $42.99. Make ourselves competitive in the market here since we're merch fulfilling these and not sending them to FBA. Go ahead. Okay, pair of cute pump sandals. All right, I will ship this myself. And then they're going for $59.99, so we're going to do $49.99. $49.99. All right. Boy, this is quick to list, isn't it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, go ahead. All right, 2.4 million sales rank for this cute gladiator sandal. Like I said, if you have not seen the full Honcho Wholesale unboxing, go ahead and check the link in the description below if you want to see exactly what all of these look like. $41.99 is what I'm pricing these for. $41.99. And we're going to give you total profit numbers, and we'll even include the two that we're planning on putting on Poshmark and give you reasonable numbers for those. Go ahead. All right, 1.6 million sales rank for that cute little sandal. I will ship this item myself, one quantity. And these are going for $29.99, so we're going to do $21.99. So these are probably our lowest end shoes, but still great numbers on some of them.
Yeah. A lot of these were kind of breaking even. Mm-hmm. Well, we're making a little bit.
Yeah, we paid what? Roughly about 17
bucks a pair of shoes.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
It's high for us, but I think we're going to come out pretty well.
Oh, yeah, I think so. Okay, yep. It's that cute little boot. All right, $29.97. We'll go $21.99. Save and finish. Okay, so we are going to add up everything on Amazon, take away the fees, and then also tell you how much we're going to sell those two on Poshmark for, so you can be looking for those two pair of shoes. And then we'll also show you which shoes we're putting on Poshmark, so if you want them, you can buy them. Boom! Speed math! All right, we ended up with $808.84 after we take our 25% off in fees for merchant fulfill. That's another $202.21 that we're going to discount or take off of our profit numbers because we have to pay Amazon fees. They want their piece of the pie. All right, so we ended up with $606.63. These are the two that I'm putting on Poshmark. They're super cute. This one is a size 9 and this one is a size 9. They're very, very adorable shoes. Plain on both sides, but cute little adorable shoes, and they're very, very comfortable. So if you want to buy those, check our Poshmark store out. So with those two, I'm going to price them around $40, hoping that I'll get that from them. But let's be conservative and say I only make 20 bucks a piece. So we'll say $40 total. So I'm up to $646.63 after I have listed everything. It's going to take me probably 5 to 10 minutes to list those other two shoes, and you saw how long it took me to list all of this, so everything's already posted. It's amazing. So $646.63. Remember, $340 is what it costs for this box, and so I am at a profit number of $300.06, or $306.63. So $306.63, and it's already posted. So I think it's great profit from Honcho Wholesale. Hopefully it's been fun watching us do this listing process and seeing me put something on our Amazon merchant fulfilled. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, if you want to buy from Honcho Wholesale, click the link in the description below. I have all their information there. It's definitely a good place. High quality stuff to get. If you haven't seen the full video, go ahead and click that link in the description below. And if you would like to be a reseller, go ahead and check out hookedonpickin.com. I have a bunch of reseller resources, and you can make money this way too.